Yo, what up, too? Let's talk about the inevitable. What these heifers like to call hot girl summer. Oh, yeah, you're gonna get a lot of that. These raggedy ass bras coming out in droves. Breath smelling like shit. 4 different kids, 3 different baby daddies. Pawning their kids off to grandmama. Grandmama, can you watch little Day Day, little Marvin, and little Dookie Stan while I go out in these streets and shake my ass and drink E&J, smoke Newports, and act a fool? Yes, this is that time of year. Majority of the country experiencing nice warm weather. And this is where these curbside heifers lose their damn mind. But if you ask them, they quangs, right? They quangs. Gotta salute to the quangs. Gonna be a lot of February babies being born. Aquarius is Capricorn's gonna be born. Because right now it's your whole season. Whore season, 304 season. Say no more season. Yes, we're in the midst of it. They're walking around with their bootleg bags, the bootleg Gucci bags that they bought at Ross. Yeah, we know y'all heifers bought them bags at Ross. If y'all bought them at all, y'all probably stole them. Stealing you some knockoff bags from Ross. Is that what's going on? Yes, Memorial Day weekend. And the cane toads is out. Some of them, I see a couple of them even got the nerve to have on sundresses. For them, that's a step up because usually they wearing those small raggedy ass jeans. Probably smelling like molded sardines and hot chips. But hey, it's a hot girl summer, right? And 20 years from now, these same girls perpetuating the hot girl summer myth. So they want you to believe it's freedom. Oh, I'm just expressing myself. It's freedom. So being sexually irresponsible is freedom. That's what you call freedom. Fucking anything and everything walking. That's freedom. That's liberation, huh? Well then you hoes should not give a fuck about getting married ever in life. So I don't want to hear you when you get older talk about where all the good men have gone. Why don't they approach women anymore and all this nonsense? Why am I always attracting fuck niggas? Cause you's a fuck bitch. You think you being a hot girl because you want to walk in the footsteps and be influenced by bitches like Meg Thee Stallion, city girls and hoes like that. Even Cardi B led you hoes astray, but at least with Cardi B, she married. She hold her husband down. She got her flaws and shit, her little ratchet bullshit, but at least, you know what I'm saying, at least she's about that married life, about being a wife. which is more than I could say for a lot of you so-called hot girl heifers. And a lot of you motherfuckers need to be reminded that yoga pants ain't for everybody. It's the same bullshit we had to deal with back in the 90s when too many of you bras was wearing them biker shorts and shit. Now, if you built for it, if you built for that life, so be it. Ride it out how you live. But a lot of you heifers shaped like motherfucking Brillo sacks. I don't know who told you motherfuckers to wear the shit that y'all be wearing. But y'all come outside like y'all hate life and shit. Like, what the fuck? Bitch, who told you to wear that shit? Who the fuck told you to slide your motherfucking grimace-shaped ass into some motherfucking yoga pants? No wonder they be splitting at the seams. Should I digress? It needs to be said. It needs to be said. For once, when you guys bring your kids out in public and shit, and the motherfucker nose running and shit, and first of all, wipe the motherfucker nose. Wipe the little man's nose. Wipe the little daughter's nose. Instead of just let him walk around face all snotty and looking stupid. And all that money that you stealing from your baby daddy and shit through the court system, buy them kids some clean clothes, some decent clothes. Stop making it blatantly obvious. I know a lot of you heifers have a hard time not doing that, making it blatantly obvious that all you want is the check and the money from the system. You have no intentions of spending that money on the children. We know that. But at least, buy them clean clothes or wash their clothes. Do something. Stop pawning them off on your grandma and your auntie all the damn time. Do something. But what do I know? It's a side girl summer. This is what these heifers do. Think they doing something new. And you're gonna see a lot of that this Memorial Day weekend. Just pay attention to shit. To a lot of these hoes. Listen to how they talk when they go out in public. Can't even form a complete sentence. Well, And for some strange reason, a lot of these bitches think that shit is normal. Like, you don't even want to put any kind of effort into sounding like you got some kind of goddamn sense. I would say read a book, but I doubt if any of you bitches even know where to start. Shit, read the comic section of the newspaper or something. Go online and read motherfucking Dr. Seuss, Mother Goose, Green Eggs and Ham. Start there. But yeah, the so-called hot girl summer is among us, just like every year. These are your future cat ladies. And now a lot of them have heard the term cat ladies, so they thinking they can make a pivot and be like, well, I'll just buy me a dog. Okay, cat lady, dog lady, still the same result. You unmarried, leftover, single. And it don't be your choice. Unlike men, we choose to get married. Y'all bitches get married if y'all can. But after being ran through because of all your hot girl summers, ain't nobody looking for y'all like that. See, guys, we can hold out as long as we want as far as deciding to get married. We get married when we want to. A lot of y'all so-called hot girls, when it comes to getting married and being somebody's wife, y'all gotta wait till somebody choose y'all. And the fact of the matter is, ain't nobody choosing that. Don't nobody want no bra with a hallway pussy. Not at all. Yodelay, I don't want to hear that echo and shit when you pull your panties down. No thanks. And a lot of y'all trying to front like, oh, well, I don't want to get married. I like being single. Bitch, it don't matter if you want to or like to or not. If you did want to and you didn't like being single, you don't have a choice. So who gives a fuck what you talking about? But hey, what do I know? I ain't got no talent. I'm just a guy. I'm just a regular guy. I don't know shit. Or do I? To the brothers out there, young and old, you know what time of year it is. Avoid these type of bitches and shit. I don't give a fuck how tight the pants are, what the ass look like, the titties look like. Don't fall for none of that shit. Because they're looking to get saved and shit. They're looking to make you the fifth or sixth baby daddy. So they can slap that child support order on your ass. Because that's how they pay their rent. Gotta pop some babies out. They ain't got no other skills. It's another reason why a lot of these heifers in these corporate positions and these HR positions, why they try to block men out, especially black men. The black man fuck around and rise through the ranks and end up being her boss. And they can't stand a scenario like that. So what they'll do, undercut you from the gate. They even think you a black man. Undercut your ass from the gate. And these are the same hot girl summer chicks and shit that's in these positions. Work for these companies with any kind of old, wear their hair, so-called hair any kind of way, dress any kind of way they want, talk how they want. Nothing to get said. No problem. Do what you want to do. Anyway, I just wanted to touch on that. Beware, fellas, of the so-called hot girls this summer. That shit ain't nothing nice. Breath smelling like a motherfucking raccoon's ass. Smelling like llama piss. Breath smelling like garbage dumpster juice. Now these hoes' breath smell like a motherfucking skunk kidney. Just beware, fellas. Giving you fair warning. Avoid these type of bitches. That being said, Red Blizzard out.